Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a habit over to the Habit app. So if you're figuring out how you can actually use this Habit app in order to basically track your habits, then here's how you can do this. First of all, in order to actually add a habit, there are two ways to do this. The first one is simply clicking on the plus sign once you open the app at the bottom left corner of your screen, just like this. What you also can do is go into settings at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on Habit Manager. And then what you can do is go to the top right corner of your screen and click at the plus icon, and it will basically bring you to the same screen. Once you've done that, you can literally choose out of all of these habits. You can also create a custom habit, which is kind of cool. Once you've done that, click on any habit you want to create, just like this, and then here you can obviously customize this entire habit, which is extremely cool as well. And once you're completely done with that, all you need to do is click on complete, and then you will see here that you have created a habit. And then when I right now go to my home screen, we can right now see that this habit has also been added right here. That's all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.